In this video, I'm gonna be revealing the laziest way to make at least $100 a day online. You could literally be laying in bed all day with your laptop and make money. Before we get into this video, if you get value from this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, for this truly to be the laziest way to make money online, I feel it should meet a certain list of criteria. This method must not require you to show your face on camera like shooting a YouTube video. This method must also not require you to run an e-commerce business like Shopify, where you have to build the website, source suppliers, find products, fulfill orders, and the list goes on. This method should also not require you to invest a lot of capital up front. We're talking about a low or no cost way to get started. This method should allow you to work on your own schedule. It's your own leisure. No strict deadlines, no set hours, just purely flexibility. So what is this magical method I'm talking about? It's called YouTube automation. For those of you who are new to this term, YouTube automation allows you to start multiple YouTube channels and outsource everything to freelancers. You're running this as a business owner. You don't have to be on camera and you can automate this whole process. Here's how you can do it. The first thing you're gonna do is choose your niche. This could be something you're interested in or in something that is in high demand or potentially will be in high demand in the future. This makes the process a whole much simpler because this is something you're gonna be interested in or something that's gonna eventually grow over time. The next thing is you're gonna create the YouTube channel. And either you can create this channel or you can hire a freelancer to create the channel for you. And when you're creating this YouTube channel, and if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I'll link down in the description below how you can create a YouTube channel. But what you're gonna do when you're creating this YouTube channel or a freelancer will be creating this channel for you, you're gonna wanna make sure you optimize this YouTube channel with a catchy name, a professional looking logo, and a well-written description. Simple as that. And now if you haven't done it already, what we're gonna be doing is finding freelancers to help us with our business, our YouTube automation. And this right here is where the magic happens. What you're gonna do is head over to platforms like either Fiverr or Upwork. And this is where you're gonna be sourcing freelancers to help you with different aspects of the channel. First, what you're gonna need is a script writer. This freelancer right here is gonna be writing engaging scripts for your YouTube videos. The next thing we're gonna be looking for is a voiceover artist. Either you can hire a freelancer to do this for you, or since times are evolving and moving towards AI, there's actually platforms that you can use where you can load that script into an AI platform and choose what kind of voice you like, and AI will read out the whole script for you, which you've probably noticed on other YouTube videos. The next thing we're gonna be looking for is a freelancer that'll work on the video editing. This freelancer right here is gonna take your script and your voiceover, and it's gonna put it all together with B-roll to make it an engaging video for you. And one of the last freelancers that you're gonna wanna source is a thumbnail designer. And this is very crucial. And you might have to shuffle through a couple different thumbnail designers before you find one that you really like that are gonna create these engaging thumbnails that are gonna attract people to wanna click on them and watch your videos. And the last thing that I highly recommend if you are trying to run a lay in your bed YouTube automation business is a channel manager. And this person's gonna oversee all operations. They're gonna oversee the script to make sure the scripts are good, where people stay engaged. They're gonna make sure the thumbnails are good to make sure it makes people wanna click on the videos. They're gonna make sure the B-roll lines up with the script. And once all this is taken care of, everything is put together, they like everything, they'll send it over to you. And either you can check out the video, make sure it's good enough to post, or your channel manager can actually upload everything. They'll take care of the title to make sure the title's engaging, take care of all the hashtags, make sure those are good, and actually set the videos to post at the right times when your audience is on, or they'll just post the videos. And from there, these videos are gonna be getting uploaded to your channel, and all you're gonna be doing is sitting back and watch the subscriber count go up and the watch hours go up And eventually, when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, you're watching your channel monetize. And as this channel keeps growing and growing over time, your YouTube income is just gonna keep going up and going up. And now you're making more than $100 a day. And this is how YouTube automation works. You're literally running it as a business. You can oversee all operations when it comes down to writing the script, to posting the video, watching the video. And from there, as these videos are getting posted, you're looking at it as a business owner. If you want any changes to be done, you're talking to your channel manager and they're working with these different freelancers that are working on different aspects of your business to improve those, to grow your channel even more. And at this time, you're monetized and you're earning passive income. It's that simple. As your channel grows and gains more views, you'll start earning ad revenue and other forms of income from each YouTube channel that you have. And the best part is, most to all of this work is done by these freelancers. This is how passive income works. The beauty of YouTube automation is that once you set up your team and the processes, it can continue to generate passive income with little to no extra effort on your part. And there you have it. That is the laziest way to make $100 online. And this right here requires the littlest amount of investment on your part. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.